Well, we have another system upon us as we go into tonight and throughout parts of the day on Friday. We will start off with mostly snow, and that will be the main precipitation type, but still there is that small chance of some freezing rain bringing us a glazing throughout our surfaces and roads. Snowfall amounts will vary between 2 to 7 inches and eventually tapering off by the afternoon. Then we'll have a dry day on Saturday, another round of snow arriving on Sunday. This will be another quick mover as well. All these systems are really just having one thing in common, mostly bringing us snow here in the UP, but especially towards the west, further east you go, that's where we deal with that possibility of that freezing rain. We do have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in effect throughout the viewing area. When it comes to those winter storm warnings, that's over towards Keweenaw and northern Houghton County. They go into effect at 10 o'clock this evening until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then the same time frame goes for those advisories. So 10 p.m., 9 Central, till 10 a.m., 9 Central on Friday for the advisories, and pretty much covering our central and western portions of the peninsula. When it comes to snowfall amounts, though, in the warnings, we could be dealing up to 4 to 7 inches. Within the advisories, 2 to 4 inches, some isolated areas making a run towards 5 or 6. That snow, as of this moment, still and mostly in Wisconsin and Minnesota, extending down into parts of Nebraska, but this will all make its way from the southwest towards the northeast over the next 12 hours. So we will begin to see deteriorating conditions later on tonight, and it really will be about sometime maybe around 2 a.m. That's when we'll begin to see the first snowflakes invading the area and becoming more widespread by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. And with those temperatures slowly climbing from those lower 20s early on in the evening into those upper 20s by tomorrow morning, that's where we unfortunately have to deal with that threat of that freezing rain. Well, towards the south, mostly rain and freezing rain, but that freezing rain line will make its way towards the Lake Michigan shoreline. And the same thing will repeat itself as we make our way into Sunday as well. So Saturday is really looking to be the day to be outside, enjoying that sunshine, do any plans. Sunday, it's a day you just want to monitor the weather. So for today, though, storm still well towards the south, bringing ice into parts of Kansas, Missouri, and into parts of Iowa. For tomorrow, this eventually lifts quickly towards the north. We're dealing with the snow. Downstate, it'll be a freezing rain with quick moving batch of rain, but by tomorrow evening, this will be a thing of the past as high pressure will quickly push in for Saturday, eventually exit, and then we deal with another storm on Sunday, and that's going to bring us overall just a same thing, snow with just that chance of that freezing rain early on in the morning. So for tonight, though, 20 degrees, overnight snow, just a little bit of that light freezing rain taking place around sunrise, winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So that southerly flow is what's going to play a role to trigger that possibility of